Sup? I'm going with Ayeesha today because she copped a deal on a H22A4 with a manual gearbox, and as we know, her Prelude is currently auto, and we've been planning to B-swap it with the manual gearbox. H22 belongs in the Prelude, so Prelude. Yeah, so that's what's happening right today. I'm going with her to pick it up. We're gonna put it in my car and store it at her house. Should be alright. We'll see.
Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benz that see notes by the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the road.
Alright. So I have the motor in the back now. I just dropped Ayeesha home because she's gonna go pick up Gabby. And it's a very heavy motor and it has the gearbox still attached, and I've never had this much weight in the back of my car. The most weight I've had was the K24 when I picked it up, and then I also had the gearbox, but they were separately, it wasn't together. Oh, it's gonna move, it's gonna move. Oh, you can see it, oh, far out. I'm excited. I was doing some research on actually swapping a 3rd gen with a H22, and oh my god. It seems pretty similar to K-swapping the DA, like my car, just because of the lack of having to make do with compatibility in comparison to like DC or EG chassis. Sorry, it's going to be shaking. A lot of the parts are going to seem to be from 90 to 91 Accords, which is surprising. Alright, it's back up right now. I can see it. But it's a pretty good deal. 800, around, I think it was like 800 bucks. For motor and gearbox, and it's not like H22. A4s are easy to find. They're like the best H series you can get in Australia actually. I think they push 197, which is exactly the same as a K24, a stock K24. Let us have a look. There she is. It does need some work. It's a bit dirty. So I was looking at it earlier and there was water inside the valve cover, which worried me. Whoa, like the spark plug guides. Really hoping, but you can see, yeah, there's still spark plugs in there, meaning that no water or anything has gotten into the actual block. Yeah, it's gonna need some work. Don't install motors outside. Just don't do it. And there she is. H22A4. It's very heavy. I'm actually quite surprised about the deal. It's pretty damn good. Allegedly, it has skunk 2 cams in it, which I'm really hoping for because then it'll push pretty hard. But we'll see. He's finished. Are you ready? Are you nervous? She needs something to hold her motor on. She low-key gave up on the way home. And we see tires, a bunch of tires on the middle of the motorway. So we exited and went all the way back around. So now we're going to grab a tire to hold her motor. Okay, that we saw on the side of the road. Yeah, it's it. So slow down! Okay.
Can you get out?
You want me to do it?
Yeah, I don't want to open my door.
Then fix yourself.
I don't want to reverse.
So what are you going forward?
Because I'm going to swing it.
Right here, they're right here. You can stop. You can stop. Stop.
Oh shit, they're big tires.
Yeah, they're massive.
Is it going to fit in the boot?
Bro, these tires are huge.
This is a truck tire.
It is.
The boot.
It's fucking huge, Ayeesha. But it's enough. Holy shit, this is massive. We managed.
It's not going to close.
My pen's always dirty. You're a mess. Close it. We honestly, like 2 bozos, stealing a single truck tire from the middle of the road.
Hey, look, I got wipes.
If anything, we look like we're the ones dumping the tires here.
Wow.
Dude, this morning I had a shot like this, and there was
There
an engine in the back of my car. Now there's this fucking dirty truck tire in the back of yours. Alright. Ooh. It is a truck tire. It'll fit with the gearbox.
It was so hard to get.
Don't I make it look easy? Don't I make it look good? Hey, now you.
We cannot fit the crane in Jarrell's car. And this is his new seat. It would fit in here, but we have the motor. His theory is the only way we can get it out is if we take the parts. And if we need to do that, we need to start right now.
I reckon we can take the head off.
And that'll be enough?
Yeah, that'll be enough. You take it apart, Ayeesha.
Yeah, I think so too.
And you have pliers. You need pliers as well.
Can't beat it, can't beat it, can't beat it, can't beat it with the big bad dough. Can't see it with this bitch black Gucci frames on. Let me take these bitches off. Let me get the full scope.
Alright, we're back. The camera battery died.
Don't do this.
You have a mosquito on your nose.
Yeah.
It was
Should I turn this light
it
down?
was just drinking blood off your nose.
What do you guys do? They drained all the water out of the spark plug guides, which is why there's tampons on the ground. Don't do it from there, you're gonna hurt yourself. And do it from higher up.
Yep.
Sounds good?
Yeah. That's loose.
Wow, very nice. Okay. I think a mosquito bit my eyebrow.
One time, a mosquito bit my eyelid, and I looked like I had black
we
eyelids.
woke up. Was it?
Yeah, I was sleeping at my sister's house.
Smash or something?
I woke up, and it was like this.
Gabs, can you just hold this?
Probably had like
Now you drink up all my liquor. Come on, what I'm supposed to do now? You talking all that shit. Now come on, you gon' have to back it up. Get too high now.
Oh, so close.
these are long.
Can't believe we're doing this out of a boot.
It's so scary.
They snap, hey. Like you can. I've seen
I
like
don't
when
know
people
if
do
they
ARP.
High now, sugar, come on. I might never come down. I might never come down. Never come down. Let me get down.
I think it's the thermostat housing. You drop three, what is that? 10? 12, what you call them? You.
Oh, did I cut it? Oh, wait, I didn't feel it.
Yeah, you don't.
That happened, eh?
When you're angry, you don't feel it.
Alright.
Alright, just give it a try. Yep, that's it.
Alright, let's just rest it in here. Right. 1, 2, 3. Pretty good.
What size are these? What size are H22?
The bore?
Yeah.
We put it in this way. So we're gonna have to get this up first.
Alright, ready?
1, 2, 3.
What is it? What is noise?
1, 2, 3. Are you good?
Yeah,
What's the plan now?
What's the plan? You made it horizontal.
Amazing.
Alright, that'll be alright.
You good? Alright. Good one. Alright.
You got it?
Get the jack under.
And he's
We are going to get the tire, put it straight here, lift it, rest the middle on the middle of the car and try to relieve as much weight, and then just put it straight onto the tire. Closer?
closer, yeah.
1, 2. Which one? Okay.
Are you alright? Please stop.
Did it hurt?
That's fine. But it was,
How you do that?
Cavalry's arrived. The non-voluntary cavalry. He didn't want to help.
I think we're all non-voluntary. Have you done this? Who's doing things?
H series.
Oh, but it's way easier where I can actually grab something. Ready? 3, 1, 2, 3.
Good?
Okay. Okay, go. Yeah. Jeffrey, go away. Done right now. Jeffrey!
We're on at the back.
Needs to go this way. There we go. Yeah, it's cool.
Okay.
Look, OBD2B. Only 2 plugs. That's so easy. I don't like it.
Why?
Chunky plugs.
Because everything's a bit stupid. I think today was a success. We managed to pull out a very... It's like thanks stop.
That was a bunch of random.
I think today was a success, considering the what would you call it?
Dilemma.
The dilemma. We picked up the motor. I didn't record much of it, just because we were talking to some guy, and not everyone wants to be recorded. While they're doing that, we had a really big dilemma with the H series in the car, but we managed to get it out without having to resort to something like leaving it outside on the tire overnight or working around whatever complications. We just dealt with it instead. Packing up. He wants a GT4, an ST185, the one with the pop-ups. Mr.
What did he say?
Mr. Intake Manifold.
Huh?
What's that?
Those there are your
Just that whole thing, what is that?
Does that go on top of that? Yes.
Yeah, so what is it?
That's your intake manifold.
No! It's the head.
Yes, that's the word. Yeah.
Mr. Intake Manifold.
Hey Tristan, I see you.
Wait,
I'm talking about you.
can't say that shit, bro. You're gonna get an EK. That's how you get an EK account, bro. That's how you... I should put that in. What's our next video gonna be? Next video is selling the H22.
Selling the H22. Pretty much diesel.
We'll raise it so high that we don't need spark.
Yeah.
I like this idea.
It's just detonating.
18 to 1. 18 to 1 K24.
It's triangles. it pokes out of the cylinder a bit, and it's a triangle.
It touches every single valve.
It's like, yeah.
Look at this, just look. Oh! Gouges. Oi! It's almost a hole. That's okay.
I think the motor was...
Ayeesha got lucky with the deal.
Someone else wanted
Someone else wanted to just buy the gearbox.
And then we'd have to do
we-
H to be...
But Rise Up Lights luckily 12 a.m. Luckily got there first.
Got there first
well,
for
it would've-
$600 for
Well,
both.
someone else with a Prelude was gonna buy just the gearbox. So we'd assume it's someone that also has H20. They witness all the good deals.
Oh yeah. Whenever we get a good
The wing.
wing. How's the wing, by the way?
Yeah, how's your wing?
Very bad.
Make strut brace. I found materials.
Strut brace? Yeah. That's our next video.
No, I didn't have good deal with the
That's the next video. Custom
Strut brace.
VMR strut brace.
Plasma cut. No, we don't even need to plasma cut it.
We're just cutting. Oh, it's been a while. More cutting and welding. It's been a while.
We're getting a TIG.
We're getting a team. Are we actually?
Yeah.
We need people to share our videos so we can afford a
So we can get
Subscribe to our Patreon.
that as well.
And we need some support so we can afford a garage.
Get Luke to plug us. Oh my god.
We need a.
What's a plug? I don't know what that is.
Really?
Like,
Can you like promote someone?
It's what you do to fill the drain.
He doesn't know what a plug is.
I don't know what
What
it is.
is this?
Who are you gonna plug? Outro.
Lorenzo.
Lorenzo's what? Instagram?
He doesn't present
Oh
on
yeah,
Instagram.
that's what it means.
Let's come back around, boys.
Yes.
Yeah. Put it next to your head.
Follow Lorenzo's evil build, and then follow his other account on his S2K build.
That's it. That's what. Lorenzo is who we learn all our stuff from.
Yes.
He's the Australian Chris Fix.
That's why we're releasing.
He's like, hey guys, hey guys.
Yo, that's gang. So these tools you're gonna need.
Someone's screaming. Why don't you just use a long one?